Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a new episode. I'm going to change the front spring coils. Let's begin. Here are the front springs. This is the old one. This is the lowered one I want to have back in it, because this sits a little bit too high. I'm replacing the front springs and the rear springs also, because the car in the past was hit on this side and the rear is bent. So years ago I installed springs and shortened them left, right, so the car sits straight again. But I want to have this damage repaired, so I replace all with normal springs again. These are the tools I will be using today. We start on the front. These ones are heavy duty, because changing the springs is a very dangerous job. I always get nervous from it, because one error and you can lose your life. But let me show you how I do it. First I'm going to lift the car, remove the front wheel, and we can go from there. Now when the spring is out, we can check some other components at the same time. If the shock absorber is still good, and the upper control arm. If this is loose, I have to replace this also. It's impossible to do when the spring is in. So let's check it now. got it out finally. Now you can see how much tension is on this one compared to a loose one. I cannot imagine how much force is inside of here. Very dangerous. In the meantime, I disconnected the shock absorber, the upper control arm. It's not moving, so it's still okay. Let's clean a little bit. Well, the spring is in. All other parts are also okay. So that was a heavy job to do. Now I have to do the rear springs. Well, everything is back together. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Maybe you can use it for your own car. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Next time I'm going to do the rear springs. Thank you for watching. Bye.